This is the ceiling fan that is in our gazebo area. This is the 48-inch Home Decorators Collection Altura, and there it is. This fan is a 2021 Altura. Here it is on high. It spins pretty slow, but it moves a ton of air. It's moving a lot of air. It's like a tornado. There's high. Here's medium. And here's low. I really like the style of this fan. The style of this fan is really good. I got this fan at Home Depot for $40. It was on sale, but the usual price at Home Depot is like $120. I would never pay $120 for a fan like this. $40 is actually way more reasonable for this fan. It's probably that price because of the wooden blades, the craft-made blades. But there it is on low. And off. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. See you later.